So guys, we're unboxing our Saucony Ride 17. Guys, okay, we'll open it guys. So guys, the Saucony Ride 17 are so lightweight guys, and the design and the fabric use are so nice guys. And as you can see guys, there's a hole around the shoes, so it's breathable. Even though you long run on these shoes guys, your foot are comfortable guys during the run. So we will test this one guys. So the features of the Saucony Ride 17: completely redesigned cushion system for extra comfort and energy, making it truly versatile shoes. Its design upper provides more breathability and sag 360-degree fit. Upgrade power run plus foam adds extra cushion and spring to get you moving. So this is our Saucony Ride 17 guys. Hi guys, today we will test the Saucony Ride 17 running shoes guys. So we will fit it guys. That's the Saucony Ride 17. Very lightweight guys, so we'll try to run this one guys. Test run for the Saucony Ride 17. Guys, we will wear our Saucony Ride 17 guys. We will try this one guys. Wow. Ah. Okay, yeah. Wow, we will try guys to run this Saucony Ride 17. So guys, already test run the Saucony Ride 17. It is comfortable with my foot and nice guys. I recommend this shoes guys for the start trainer guys. But one of my best shoes guys is the ASICS Nimbus 26 guys. It's better guys than this Saucony Ride 17. It's nicer than this one guys. So I recommend the ASICS Nimbus 26 first, and then this is my second choice guys, the Saucony Ride 17.